Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with cutting the brakes of a car. Let's see here. My son got angry with his professor, and after leaving class, he went to her car and cut the brakes off of her car. The professor had an accident. Videos from the school show my son going around the teacher's car. Okay, so this is a really serious offense because this is essentially an attempted murder. This would be a violation of Penal Code Section 187/664, which carries 25 to life in state prison. This is not a joke. Cutting the brakes on a car, what did you think was going to happen? At the very least, an accident, but very, very probable that somebody could be killed. And not necessarily the teacher or professor, but that could have been the fate of anybody else that she may have encountered, a pedestrian, somebody else driving a car. So no, this is not a joke, this is not a prank, this is an attempted murder, Penal Code Section 187/664. The thing that's even worse is the fact that there is video of him circling around the vehicle, which would lead most people to believe that at the very least he was a suspect. This is a case where your son needs to remain silent. He better not say anything regarding this case, because anything he says or does will be used against him in court. This case is going to have to be resolved, especially if there's video of him actually doing the cutting. This is going to require avoiding a trial altogether, but rather he's going to have to cut a deal with the DA's office to avoid that harsh punishment. But legitimately, you have to understand that if you put yourself in a position where you are essentially, throwing the person to the lions in a sense, hey, if the person dies, you're going to be charged with murder. This is an attempted murder because even though you may not have had specific intent to kill, you were still acting in a way to demonstrate that you're basically completely disregarding her life and the life of others. Basically, under the depraved heart theory, you would basically have the intent. It's the doctrine under the doctrine of transferred intent, essentially. That would be put forward to you, and you will be charged with an attempted murder. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was talking to someone about his case while he was in custody. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.